Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. This Baume and Mercier Chronograph watch is a true masterpiece of Swiss watchmaking. With their 37mm stainless steel case size, they catch the eye with their sophistication. The gorgeous design is complemented by the box that comes with it, and makes this accessory even more attractive. The sapphire crystal not only protects the dial in perfect condition, but also gives the watch a special shine. The alligator strap gives it a luxurious look, emphasizing the style and taste of the wearer. The self-winding ETA 7750 movement is accurate and has an impressive power reserve of 36 hours. This men's watch not only displays the time, but also offers chronograph and date functions, making it an essential accessory for connoisseurs of high quality and functionality. Minor wear marks only add to their character, making each piece unique. Baume and Mercier has created not just a watch, but a work of art that speaks to the style and sophistication of its wearer. Good shopping and have a great day.